Hey, what's going on YouTube? What's up, people? It's DIY guy here. Just thought I could do a rundown of my US General 5-drawer tool cart. What I got in it here. Let's open the lid up. And of course everybody knows what we got up here. We got your run-of-the-mill sockets. 1/2-inch impact. More 1/2-inch impact. And most of this, actually pretty much all of these hand tools are Harbor Freight. Got to keep the gun oil on hand, you know that. So we got our 1/2-inch, 3/8, 1/4-inch, 3/8 and 1/2-inch impacts. Those junk Harbor Freight screwdrivers that I need to upgrade. But yeah, pretty much just your average socket layout. And as you can tell, I have been taking full advantage of that never expiring $5 off any ratchet coupon. These are the ones I had pretty much before that coupon came out. These here red ones, the Pro. But since that coupon, the composite ratchet, this is down to like $2 or something. And then this 3/8 composite ratchet, this was $3 with that $5 off coupon. So if you like the Pittsburgh Pro ratchets, you should definitely download their coupon app and take advantage of that $5 coupon. Got the trusty Milwaukee razor knife. Should have upgraded and got the newer version. Newer version will go down to a 45 so you can get the leverage. This one doesn't have it. Good old Kershaw Blur. That's pretty much that for the sockets here. Nut drivers. Their junk pick set. These are a little bit better. Not a lot. And then we got our tape and glue and all that good stuff in here. Oh, I thought this was awesome. I just thought it was amazing when I seen it. It's like, oh, that's going to be so great for so many things. And it's the most worthless tool I've ever bought. I've never needed it. I've never been in a situation where the bolt was so long that I couldn't get just a deep socket on it. Tony the technician actually did a video where he's basically saying the same thing. But yeah, I wouldn't recommend that. Buy it if you need it. But if you don't need it, wait. Yeah, we'll get all that crap back in there later. Maybe. Had to go and dig that dang thing out. Next up, we got our plier drawer. As you can tell, the theme, pretty much all Harbor Freight. Got our wrenches here. These will be going away soon. The tolerances are terrible. I can't stand them. I don't hardly ever even grab them just because they're junk. Got the made in the USA adjustable. Old trusty. Most people hate them. And the good bottom drawer. Picked these up M12. These things are insane. If you haven't used a Milwaukee M12 fuel power tool, you are missing out. This little guy right here, I mean, my hands aren't very big. This thing is tiny and torquey. I'll just give you a little look over here. I had a 2 amp hour battery on that impact driver right there. And this is what I got out of it. All these holes here. These. And then practice on the old bench also. But, yeah. Pretty ridiculous power out of such a compact tool. I'll do a review on these guys here soon. Smoking deal on this guy right here. The impact. That light and battery and a fast charger. Picked all that up this week and got all that for $190. You're looking at $190 for a charger and a bare tool. And that's probably a stretch. You'd be lucky to get it for that price. But desperate people sell cheap. So, worked out to my favor. Even if you don't have Milwaukee tools, these little sets right here are pretty badass. Shockwave. They got pretty much every bit that you're going to encounter on a everyday use in these little kits here. But I'll do a more detailed review of these tools here at a later date. I just wanted to give you guys an overview of my 5-drawer tool cart. I'm hoping to make more videos in the future. I go to Harbor Freight all the time. Got to take advantage of those coupons for cheap tools that have a lifetime warranty as long as Harbor Freight's around. Picked up some of this crap. These are junk. Don't buy them. These, after you get past the 3 or the what is it? The 3 30 seconds. After you move past those ones, are okay. But I was using some of these to work on RC, and it caused more harm than good. I had to order tools to extract bolts that those things stripped out. I wouldn't recommend them if you're buying them for the smaller ones. The bigger ones work great. Smaller ones suck. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Appreciate you guys watching. If you want, subscribe. There'll be more content coming to the channel soon. I'm going to do tool hauls, weekend projects that I'm doing here in the garage. I'm always doing something. Painting the house right now. Always something. Future video. Maybe we'll be tearing this apart. See if we can find out what's wrong with that. But thanks for watching, guys. If you want, hit subscribe. Like the channel. Or like the video. I'll catch you guys later. DIY guys out.